You think of the Belt and Road Initiative. It was about peace, it was about development, it was about prosperity. PRI is about multilateralism, it's about a shared future, it's about cooperation. We believe that humanity must work together, must cooperate. This is a time for us to promote globalization, which is here with us.
China's role clearly is the largest component of ERI. It has a huge amount to offer, both in terms of its skill set, particularly in building infrastructure, but also the size of its market to offer to its trading partners. BRI is about cooperation, it's about multilateralism. These are fundamental principles of trade. It's important that China takes the lead and says, we believe in win-win multilateralism, shared prosperity, because that is how we have a harmonious world.
China has never been an expansionist power. It is providing a sort of energy to the rest of the small size and mid-size economies and nations and countries, and they are taking inspiration from China.
What we would like to see happen is more investment from China to build a very diversified supply chain across the Belt and Road countries. What you have emerging is a very strong and diversified regional supply chain that has value added in every country and benefits every country.